In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Vivint panel from wall. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a smart hub or a Vivint panel, you can remove it from the wall by following these instructions. First of all, start by disarming the panel. So this will prevent any false alarms while you are disconnecting your panel. After it has been fully disarmed like this, unplug your panel's power source. So it is going to be on an outlet nearby and the wire runs through the wall. So make sure that you unplug it from the outlet. Now remove the smart hub from the mount. This will be done by gently but firmly pushing against the panel and sliding the face up until it is removed completely. Do not be alarmed if you hear beeping. It is going to be disconnected from the main wiring here, and it is going to be taken away from these clips holding it into place. So push it firmly against the panel and then push it up. Now remove the battery. Press on this little tab, so pull on the tab on the left side and then pull the battery up towards you. This will remove the battery fully and power the panel down. Set the panel aside. Now, on the actual mount, gently press the two black tabs located in the middle to release the power cord from the mounting. Pull all wires down and out through the wall after you press on the tabs above it. Afterwards, remove the screws. So in these screw holes, use a screwdriver to get all of them out. And once this is done, remove the power out wire. So gently pull the wire through the wall at the outlet end. You may need to remove your outlet cover to do this. So if needed, remove the cover altogether and then you are free to pull the wire out. After this is done, reassemble the panel and you will be able to set it aside. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.